In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause or stop an email sequence in Salesflare. First, let's get on the same page about how Salesflare handles sequences. What many tools call an email sequence is set up in Salesflare as a workflow. A workflow is a chain of automated email steps that continue until a contact hits an exit condition, like replying, opening, or clicking. Understanding this is important because you'll be controlling the automation at the workflow level rather than inside a separate sequence screen. To pause or stop messages from going out, you'll manage the workflow itself. Open Salesflare and go to the Workflows section where you originally built your automation. Find the workflow you want to halt, then turn it off or disable it. Think of this as a pause switch. Anything that has already been sent will remain sent, but no further steps will execute while it's disabled. Contacts who are currently enrolled won't proceed to the next step until you turn the workflow back on. This approach is best when you need a broad, immediate stop across all enrolled contacts, for example, before a holiday, or when you need to adjust messaging. If your goal is to halt the sequence for just a few people rather than everyone, remove those specific contacts from the workflow. Once removed, they will no longer receive any upcoming steps from that automation. This doesn't delete their records or history in Salesflare. It simply stops the automated follow-ups for them. After removing, it's a good idea to glance at the workflow's enrollment list to confirm they're no longer included. When you're ready to resume, simply re-enable the workflow. Contacts who are still enrolled and haven't met the exit criteria will continue from where they left off, following the same logic and delays you originally configured. Because timing matters, double-check any wait periods, business hour sending windows, and schedules so the next email lands when you expect it. It can help to preview the next scheduled step to confirm content and timing. A few practical tips to keep everything smooth. Before disabling, check the workflow's analytics to see how many contacts are mid-sequence and how far along they are. Make a quick internal note and let teammates know you've paused the automation to avoid overlapping manual outreach. After reactivating, run a quick internal test to verify that reply detection and suppression rules behave as intended. Clear workflow names and short descriptions also make it easier to find and manage them later. That's it. You now know how to pause, stop, and resume an email sequence in Salesflare with confidence.